Yes, start. Okay. 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 Please silent. ये म्यूट कर देना यहाँ से, ये यहाँ अलाउ करें और ये यस. ओके. Yesterday I give the homework exercise 2.3 and question number 1 and 2 complete in your homework copy, and I hope all of you have complete my homework. Now today we start question number 3 of this exercise. Multiply the following fraction. Question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Multiply the following fractions. Now, the second part of this, 6 whole 2 by 5, 6 whole 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Now first we convert the mixed fraction into an improper form. Now first we convert this fraction. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 comes 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Now if it is simplified, then we reduce the fraction. Otherwise, we multiply the numerator part to the numerator part and denominator part to the denominator part. Now here, there is no number. Can you reduce it? Therefore, we multiply 7 to the 14, carry 1, and 7 3 the 21, 1 plus 1, 22, and 5 times the 45. And that is our answer. Or you convert into a mixed fraction, or if you like, then you convert into a mixed fraction. Otherwise, you write the answer. That is an answer. Okay? It is clear? Krishanshu, raise your hand. अगर आप चाहो तो इसको डिवाइड करके मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में भी लिख सकते हो, जैसे मैं अभी करके दिखा देता हूं. 224 divided by 45. Take the first number, it cannot divisible by 45. Second place number comes 22. 22 is not divisible by 45. I take all the numbers, 3, 225. 45 multiply, but it multiply those number, it comes equal to 224 or less than 224. Now you divide, you multiply. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Now we multiply 45 into 5. 5 5 are 25 ka 5, carry 2, 5 4 are 20, and 225. But this number is bigger than this number. That means it is multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 4 are 16, 17, 18. Now we subtract it, it comes 4, 12, 4. Now we write here 4 whole. Now we also write 4 whole 44 by 45. And that is also our answer. You write this this form, it is also correct answer. And if you write in the converting into the mixed fraction, it also a correct answer. Now, we take the another question of this part of this question, another part of the question. Now we take the seventh part. Seventh part, 3 whole 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Now, here also we convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, it comes 25 by 7. 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7 into 3 by 5. Now, you check here, it is reducible or a not, it is simplify or a not. Here this number is simplified. It is exactly divisible by 5. Now we simplify, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay? And no any number is not divisible. So I multiply 5 3s are 15 and 7 1s are 7. Now you convert into mixed fraction also as you like. 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 1 by 7. And that is our answer. Okay? It is clear? Okay? It is clear? Harsh Pratap? Okay. 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 Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Now, question number 4. Which is greater? Which is greater? The part first, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Now, in this question, you have shown which number is greater, this or this. The first you solve both the part and convert into a single fraction. First we off shows the multiplication, 2 by 7 of that means into 3 by 4, and similarly you solve this part also, 3 by 5 of shows 5 by 8. Now if it is a simplify, then you simplify, otherwise you multiply both the numbers. Now here it is reducible, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and we multiply 3 1s are 3 and 7 2s are 14. Similarly here also 5 1s are 5, 5 cancel to 5, and 3 1s are 3 and 8 1s are 8. Now comparing, because in this question which is greater, now comparing both the fraction and comparing method, we easily compare by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we compare 3 multiplied by 8 and 14 multiplied by 3, and 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, and 14 3s are 42. 42. Which number is greater? Obviously, 42 is greater than 24, and 42 shows which fraction? That means 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Now we write here, this is the greater part. Okay, this is the greater part. At the end of the answer, and we write which is greater, 3 by 5. I write here at the end of 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than greater than greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, and that is our answer. Okay, it is clear. लास्ट में हम आंसर को लिखेंगे, ये वाला फ्रैक्शन का जो पार्ट है ये बड़ा है इस वाले पार्ट से, इसी को हम स्टेटमेंट में लिख देंगे 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. It is clear? It is clear? It is clear? Pallavi Mishra? Pallavi, can you listen my voice? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Pallavi, can you heard my voice? No. No answer. Harsh Pratap? Harsh Pratap? Okay. 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 Therefore, the second part of this question you have done in your homework copy. The second part of this question, you have done it. Okay? And now comes to the next question. Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Tell me, can I erase it? Now, the fifth part of this question, Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between the 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So now in this question, first we draw a figure. Let's show this is the garden. This is the garden. And in garden, Sally sapling plants four sapling in a row. Sapling, that means they planted plants in a row. First plant, second plant, third, and fourth. These are 4 plants. Okay, 4 sapling. First, second, third, fourth. And distance between the 2 adjacent sapling, these are the 2 adjacent sapling, and the distance between is 3 by 4 meter. This is also 3 by 4 here, and this is also 3 by 4, and this is also 3 by 4 meter. Okay, 3 by 4 meter. To find the distance between first to last sapling. Now in the fraction, you add all the distance, then you find easily what is the distance between first and last. Or if all the fraction are same, then you multiply 3 into 3 by 4 and you find that distance very easily. Okay, so now first we write the statement. Our solution is, Sally plants 4 sapling in a row. Sally plants Sally plants plants 4 sapling in a row in a row in a row. Therefore, and the distance between the two sapling, the distance between the distance between two adjacent sapling, two adjacent sapling equal 3/4 meter. Then you find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Therefore, distance for distance between first and last sapling equal. Now look at here in the figure, all the parts are equal. Now starting this exercise, we're discussing if all the parts are equal, all the fractions are equal, then we convert addition form into multiplication also. And you count here how many times this 3/4 comes. There are 3 times 3/4 comes. Then you easily 3 multiply into 3/4. Or you add all the 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. Therefore, we use the distance between the first and last sapling is 3 into 3/4 meter. And we multiply the numerator part to the numerator part. 3 is 9/4 meter. And we divide 4 2s are 8, 1 whole by 4 meter. And that is our answer. That means the distance between the first and last sapling is 2 whole 1/4 meter. Okay? It is clear? Harsh? Raise your hand. Okay. Jay Aditya? आया समझ में? अनुज कुमार? अनुज? Okay. Roshan Giri? It is clear? समझ में आ गया? नहीं आया? एक बार और देखिए. चलिए हिंदी में समझाते हैं. जो शैली है, एक गार्डन आपके सामने हमने बनाया. उस गार्डन में उसको प्लांटिंग करनी है. रो में, रो होती है, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन रो को शो करती है और वर्टिकल लाइन कॉलम को शो करती है. तो हमने एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बना दिया और उसने 4 प्लांट्स लगा दिए. और एडजेसेंट 2 प्लांट्स, एडजेसेंट का मतलब एक के बाद जो दूसरा प्लांट है उसको बोलते हैं हम एडजेसेंट. उसके बीच का डिस्टेंस दे दिया है 3/4 मीटर. दूसरे और तीसरे प्लांट के भी बीच में 3/4 मीटर और तीसरे और चौथे प्लांट के बीच में भी 3/4 मीटर दे दिया. अब बोल रहा है कि पहले से लेकर लास्ट वाले प्लांट के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है. तो या तो ये तीनों को आप ऐड कर दीजिए तो आपका डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा, और नहीं तो अभी हमने इससे पहले हमने सिखाया था कि सारी फ्रैक्शन बराबर होती हैं, इक्वल होती हैं. तो हम उतने टाइम को कितनी फ्रैक्शन है 1 2 3, उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए सेम फ्रैक्शन को, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. तो हमने यही किया है. शैली को 4 सैपलिंग करनी है रो में. हमने ये एक स्टेटमेंट लिखा. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू एडजेसेंट सैपलिंग 3/4 मीटर है। हमें टोटल डिस्टेंस निकालना है फर्स्ट और लास्ट सैपलिंग के। तो हमने कितनी सैपलिंग हुई थी, कितने मीटर, 1 2 3, तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 3/4 को और हमारा आंसर आ गया 2/2 होल 1/4 मीटर। ओके, इट इज क्लियर नाउ। नाउ my next question, question number 6. Leepika reads a book for one whole 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. That means she reads the entire book in 6 days. That means total number of pages of the book she read in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? That means you have find the time. In this question, by unitary method, very easily you solve. First, in this question, you have find how many hours. That means you find the time. And those things you find, you always put at the right hand side. And those things you have given, you put at the left hand side. Now, my first statement, my solution is Leepika reads a book one whole 1/3 hours every day. So in one day, Leepika take time for reading. In a day or in one day, both are same thing. In one day, Leepika give or take time. Leepika, in one day, Leepika giving time for reading, giving time for reading a book equal, there is no space now. In one day, Leepika giving for giving time for reading a book equal one whole 3/4 hours. That is the unit. You show unit H for hours. Now we convert into the improper form. 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 3, 7/4 hours. Okay. Now, how many days she read? In 6 days. So obviously, in 6 days, Leepika more reading of the book, and she reads entire book. That means the whole book she read in a 6 days. Therefore, in 6 days, Leepika giving time for reading a book is equal to 7 by 4 into 6 hours into hours. And you know, we multiply because 6 days Lipika reads more pages of the book. And if you find more things, you always multiply. If you find less things, you always divide. Okay, so here in one day, he reads 7 by 4 hours. Therefore, 6 days, obviously, he read more pages of the book. Then we multiply here. Okay, okay, इसको हम multiply करेंगे. And now we multiply 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and 7 3 ja 21 by 2 hours. And then you divide 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, and then it's divided by 2 0 ja 0, 10 whole 1 by 2 hours. And this hour we also write 10 hours plus half hours. And this hours you convert into the minutes. If you convert, we know in 1 hour 60 minutes, then we multiply this 10 hours plus 1 by 2 into 60 minutes, and that comes 2 3 is 6. That means 10 hours 30 minutes he give the time for reading the entire book, and that is our answer. Okay, कृषांशु, क्लियर हुआ? एक बार फिर समझिए, इसका हिंदी में हम समझाते हैं. लिपिका एक दिन का समय देती है बुक पढ़ने के लिए 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. ओके, इसको हमने इम्प्रॉपर फॉर्म में बना लिया 7 by 4 hours. और तो 6 दिन में वो बुक का ज्यादा हिस्सा पढ़ेगी, जबकि वो 6 दिन में पूरी ही बुक पढ़ लेती है. तो जब ज्यादा पढ़ेगी तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर कोई चीज कम करनी है तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. तो 6 दिन में ऑब्वियसली वो ज्यादा पढ़ेगी, तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया. 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, क्योंकि ये मल्टीपल फॉर्म में है. एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर पार्ट टू न्यूमरेटर, 7 3 जा 21 बाय, और इसको हमने डिवाइड कर लिया तो 10 होल 1 by 2 आवर्स आया. इस 10 आवर्स को हमने पहले भी बताया था, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हम एडिशन फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. मैंने एडिशन फॉर्म में लिख दिया, और इस आवर्स को मैंने मिनट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करके, और इस तरीके से हमारा आंसर आ गया 10 आवर्स 30 मिनट्स. दैट मीन्स 10 आवर्स 30 मिनट्स में वो पूरी एंटायर बुक को, जो बाकी बची हुई बुक के पेजेस हैं, उसको वो पढ़ लेगी. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर? कृषांशु, रेज योर हैंड, रेज योर हैंड. रोशनगिरी, आ गया समझ में? ओके, चलिए. कैन आई इरेज इट? कैन आई इरेज इट? Now, question number 7. A car runs 16 kilometer. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. That means in 1 liter, car covered the distance 16 kilometer. How much distance will cover using 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Obviously, you know, in 1 liter, he covered the distance 16. In 2 whole 3 by 4 liters, car obviously bigger distance cover, more distance cover. Now in this question, which things you have find here? We find the distance, you put right hand side. Now we write here, in 1 liter petrol, in one, that my solution is, in 1 liter petrol, in 1 liter of petrol, car covered distance equal 16 kilometer. Therefore, 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 in two hole 3 by 4 liters, obviously 2 hole 3 by 4 liters covered the more distance, then you have find the more things, you multiply by 2 hole 3 by 4, 2 hole 3 by 4, and my unit is kilometer. Okay, okay. Now first we convert this improper form. 4 2 ja 8, 9 10 11, 11 by 4, it comes kilometer. And now 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, and 11 4 ja 44 kilometer. And that is our answer. Okay, okay, it is clear. 1 लीटर में कार 16 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करती है, तो 2 होल 3 by 4 लीटर में ऑब्वियसली ज्यादा दूरी तय करेगी, ज्यादा के लिए हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। मैंने अभी बताया था मोर के लिए, तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, इम्प्रॉपर में कर दिया, सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया, आंसर आ गया 44 किलोमीटर। ओके, इट इज क्लियर? रोशन गिरी, रेज योर हैंड। ओके, नाउ एंड द एंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Now time near about be over. So now we take 8 part and we solve the first part of this question. Provide the box 2 by 3 into which number you multiply it equal to 10 by 30. So very easily, if you multiply in the numerator, I don't know what is the number. So let's suppose this is x. Let's suppose this is x. Or 2 5s are 10. But which number you multiply in the numerator, it comes 10, 5. And which number you multiply in the denominator, it comes 30, 10. 3 10s are 30. Our number is 5 by 10. Okay? Or you simplify the other method, or 2 by 3 into, I don't know what is the number, so let's suppose the x is the number and 10 by 30, and we have find the value of x, therefore x is equal to 10 by 30, and this number is goes to the division form, divided form. We write here 2 by 3. And the next exercise, division converting into the multiplication, you also study in your previous classes. Now we here write division convert the reciprocal of the divisor 3 by 2, and our answer is 2 2 1 ja 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 sorry 5, and 3 1 ja 3, and 3 10 ja, and it comes 5 by 10. Now here is 5 by 10, and also written here 5 by 10. Okay, okay, okay. Now it is also convert into the simplest form also. Now is the second part, the simplest form of the number obtained in the box. In the box the number is 5 by 10. Now you convert into a simplest form, because it is not a simplest form. Now we convert 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Therefore our simplest form is 1 by 2. Simplest form is 1 by 2. Simplest form equal 1 by 2. And the second part of this, our answer is 1 by 2. Okay, we have simplified. अगर हम इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं, उसी को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म बोला जाता है। आपने पिछली क्लासेस में पढ़ा है, तो इजीली वो सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया, ये आंसर आ गया। ओके, इट इज क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर? रोशन गिरी, सादिक खान। तो इसका जो सेकंड पार्ट है, दैट इज योर होमवर्क, एंड यू हैव कंप्लीट इन योर होमवर्क कॉपी, एंड दिस एक्सरसाइज वी कंप्लीटेड, एंड टुमारो वी स्टार्ट the division of the fraction. Tomorrow we start the division of the fraction. Now, Hello? Hello? Okay, tomorrow your homework. This exercise you have completed in your homework copy. That means the exercise 2.3 you have complete in your homework copy. And now tomorrow we start the division of the fraction. Division of the fraction. Okay. सर आइए जरा सा वो अनम्यूट कीजिएगा, अनम्यूट कीजिएगा थोड़ा सा। कहाँ से है, कहाँ से है ये? Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
टुमारो का आपने होमवर्क आपने लिख लिया, समझ में आया आज जो पढ़ाया हमने?
नहीं, सेकंड पार्ट.
एनी प्रॉब्लम?
Yes, sir.
कोई
No,
प्रॉब्लम?
sir.
तो आज कंप्लीट कर लेंगे ये एक्सरसाइज एंड टुमारो वी स्टार्ट द डिवीजन ऑफ द फ्रैक्शंस. ओके?
Yes, sir.
Hello. My complete. My this period is my complete. Yes. Yes. Tell me. Any problem? You tell me. हाँ, कोई दिक्कत है पूछिए.
No, sir.
कोई प्रॉब्लम? पीयूष कुमार. पीयूष कुमार. पीयूष कुमार.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. चलिए रिया. प्रिंस यादव. प्रिंस.
No, sir.
ओके. आदिति पांडे.
लिखते में तो बैटरी खा जाए.
सांबी.
डॉक्टर सारे के बाद तो ता उठा.
No, sir.
कुछ कोई दिन लगे.
सांबी एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
और टुमारो का होमवर्क क्या है?
में खा जाइए.
कल का होमवर्क बताइए.
Sir, question number 8 बाकी पार्ट करना है.
बाकी सारे एक्सरसाइज 2.3 कंप्लीट करें. ओके सर, कंप्लीट. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.